Right, hi everyone, welcome back to my Rover restoration. Started a bit later today than what I would have hoped because I've had to do a little bit of work on that, which has been a bit of a pain, and it's still not sorted properly because the power steering pump appears to be making a noise. So that's another job I've got to do. Lovely. Anyway, we haven't got one of them, so we're going to carry on with the welding and hopefully get these bits down here and up there done. But hopefully I've got enough time to do it today, but if not, then it's not. Right, so I'm going to cut it out a bit and then get welding. Right, so I've got a few bits made up. I've got a piece to stitch in there, another piece which will go up under there, which gets rid of the bit that's separating, a couple of holes and all sorts, so that sorts about 3 bits out there. And I've cut it all out down here, and somewhere I've got the bits which I can't see in a minute. Oh no, they're over there. Yeah, they're over there because I just put some well-proof primer on them. Right, so I'm going to go down the other garage now and get the generator going, get the welder out. Actually, get the welder out first, get the generator going, and we'll start stitching some of this in. Alright, so that's the generator going. Get my mask on, start tacking it in. We can see hopefully it don't move. One tag. Two tags. Three lovely tags. just cut the plug wells up underneath. So that bit in there, a bit of grinding and that. So now we need to come down to this bit. See where I can put you somewhere. Hopefully I won't end up knackering my camera. That's close enough, isn't it? So I've got a little square to weld in there first. Not really going to see that bit, and then all that bit, to be honest. Let me move the camera over there. Trouble is, if I move it over here, you're probably going to see the back of my head. Is that better or not? I don't know. We'll give that a go. If you don't see this bit of film, then it wasn't. Right, actually that bit overlaps that bit, so turn the camera off for a bit and I'll be back because I'm going to need to put some weld-through primer under that just so it's got a bit of coating. Alright, back in a minute. I nearly forgot to start filming again then. I've just tacked this piece there, nailed it in with a clamp, so I just need to weld this piece in now. Hopefully, should be all good. Right, that's that bit in. So I've got to make a piece to go in here now. I've already got the bit for me rubber to go on afterwards, which goes down there, which I've got to cut down a bit. So that, to me, 2 plates left to do, and then that is it. Right, I'll switch the camera off for a bit. I'm not going to film making the panel. In actual fact, if anyone's interested in making panels and stuff, the person I watch is Trev's blog on YouTube. I expect most of you know him anyway or seen him, but the stuff he does is absolutely amazing, so that's why I don't get into any detail over it, because I can do it, but there's people out there that can do it much better than me. So yeah, Trev's blog if you want to take a look. Right, so what we have here is the final 2 pieces to weld in. Get that piece in there, and once that piece is in, I'll have to take the heads off of all of the plug welds, then put a bit of weld through primer on it, and then that piece will go in there, and then that will be it. Right, let's go and get a generator going. Right, that's that bit. Right, so I'm going to grind that off a bit, get some weld through primer on it, and then we'll put the last piece in. Right, so here we go then. Last bit. I mean, it's only a few plug welds now, so get that bit welded in, and job's a good one. Whoa. That one wasn't very good. And that is it. About bloody time. Right, so that is it. All the welding is done. Well, at least on the base unit anyway. I mean, the doors and the wings and everything are in pretty good nick, but you know, there's a good chance I might have to do like a couple of little tiny repairs on there. But, you know, nothing like what I've had to do. So yeah, so we've done quite well. So we got this bit welded in today, so that's all finished up. And that's all welded in there now, nicely. So like I said, that was the final bits. I mean, this cart, as you probably know if you've been watching all the videos, that this car has had massive amounts of welding from like, oh, where do I start? Probably the first bit of welding I've done done all the gutter rails, which I'm not going to uncover all, but yes, that's our gutter rails, repairs to the floor, it repairs to the inner seals, outer seals, the ends of the seals, D-post. It's had complete D-post one side, a repair on the other side, or the repair panel on the other side. It's had all of the bits for the seals to sit in. Most of them were rotted out, so they've been changed. Like all the jacking points have been repaired. Oh, little bits in the boot, bump stop mounts, repairs under the bonnet, obviously, and you know, it's just had a mammoth amount of welding done on it, which in all honesty, if the car was at my house, which it can't be because I live in a flat and I had a garage at home, you know, this would probably all be done by now, because you know, a little bit here and a little bit there, but I only get to come over here sort of once a week, maybe a couple of times if I'm lucky. But so that's probably why it's took nearly 2 years to get all the welding done. Apart from, I don't know, some virus or something going around, that stopped me a bit as well. But we won't get into that. Yeah, so that's it for this week. Next week, I'm not sure what to film really, because basically, you may remember a long time ago, I scraped all the underseal off at the rear end, where there's still some more bits to do on the floor pans, and then up under the wheel arches I need to be scraping all of this underseal off and then cleaning it all up under the bonnet. So I'm not really sure how I can film that really. I suppose I could just leave the camera running and speed it up a bit. Would anyone want to watch that? I don't know. Leave a comment. I'd probably watch it, but then I'm a bit mad, so there you go. Right, so like I said, that's it for this week. So if you haven't already, hit the like and subscribe button. If you've got anywhere you know you can share it, then share it. It'd be nice to get a few more subs. Not that that's what this is all about, because I've come so close to like not bothering to film it at all. But if people keep watching it, I'll keep doing it. And the subs do keep ticking over, going up rather than down, so we should carry on. Right, so till next time, take it easy and I'll see you later.